everybody, how you doing? Welcome to another episode of Cooking with the Junkyard. Well, today we are cooking chicken wings. Now, I have had cooked chicken wings many times on this channel. In fact, there's different recipes. Make sure you please take a look at those. On top of that, though, I wanted to find a different way to cook these wings. More of an oven base compared to frying it. I do like my deep fried chicken wings, but this is going to be an oven baked chicken wing. So let's get started.
If you're looking for cool videos, then you're at the right place. From PC to the console, then leave a smile on your face. Junkyard, Junkyard. Get ready to watch a video from Junkyard.
So today we are cooking chicken wings. Once again, I am a simple cook. I like to just cook easy meals, just get some really good flavors out of them. These are wings that I'm going to end up dipping in blue cheese dressing. Makes it simple that way. But also with that, this is something that actually I could go ahead and put in the oven, let it do its thing for 30 minutes, check on them, redo it, and let it do things for about 40 minutes. So it gives me about an hour and a half span where I'm able to cook the chicken, let it do its thing, and I can go do something else while the oven's doing what it needs to do. Compared to when I deep fry them, you gotta be in your hands and all that stuff. So that's what I figured I would give this one a try. So let me show you what we're doing. So we have just about 2 pounds of chicken wings here, and simple ingredients. We have some baking powder, we have some pepper. Now ideally I would like to use white pepper, but I don't have any, so we're going to go ahead and substitute it for black pepper. We have some garlic powder as well as salt. We're going to put the ingredients together first. So with this we're going to do about 2 teaspoons, about 2.5 teaspoons actually, of baking powder. All right, and I'm putting it in a bag. Ideally you could put it in a bowl and whisk it up, but I figure with the bag it might be a little bit easier just to go ahead and do it this way, because then we can dry the chicken and put it inside. Just a dash of salt, about that much. Also with the garlic powder, not too much about that. About a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And about also about a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Okay? So this, what we'll do here is we're just going to go ahead and just get that in there, get the bag and get that coated. All right, next we have our chicken. Now our chicken, as any chicken, it's always going to be a little bit moist. So you want to take it and dry it as much as you can. All right, you want to try to get the moisture out of the chicken. You want it as dry as you can be. So we're going to go ahead and let's get this all dried up. All right, so we have our bag of our ingredients. We got the chicken that's all nice and dry. Let's go ahead and just get that in the bag here. All right, that was a little bit, not the smoothest, but it all made it in. All right, let's close this up. We want to coat all the chicken we can, and that's what makes this nice. It's just, the bag does all the work. All right, simple enough. All right, let's transfer this to a cooking sheet. Now, first thing we want to do with the cooking sheet is line it with tin foil. Nothing is more aggravating than trying to clean a cooking sheet. Then we have a cooking grill. Now, what we want to do with this is we want to make sure that we spray it with an oil and get that whole thing coated, because as well as you don't want the chicken sticking to there. Then what we're doing is we're just going to go ahead and place all the coated chicken right onto the pan. Okay, now what we're going to do is transfer this into a 250-degree oven. So we have this preheated at 250. We're going to put it on the middle rack. So we're going to let this cook for 30 minutes at 250 degrees. At that mark, we're going to transfer the rack to the top rack and raise the temperature to 425 degrees and let it cook for 40 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes. And at that time, it should come out crispy, delicious chicken wings. All right, we'll see you in about 30 minutes. All right, guys, it's been a half hour. We're going to raise the temperature of the oven to 425 degrees. Then we're going to take the chicken and move it to the upper rack. We're just going to let it cook there for the next 45 minutes until nice, crispy, and brown. Now, so in the meantime, you want to come and check in. So about 25 minutes in, we're going to come take a look at it, spin it around, then cook it for an additional 15 or 20 minutes, as ever much as needed. All right, guys, it's been about 45 minutes. 25 minutes in, I did take it and I spun it around a little bit. Let's take a look and see how they came out. Wow. Look at those, guys. Crispy. Tender, smell delicious. Now what the next step is you could just literally eat it just like this and dip it in some sauce, or you could baste it with your favorite sauce. For example, you could take this, put a little bit of Parmesan on it, and have a dry Parmesan spread. You can take your favorite barbecue sauce and put your favorite barbecue sauce on it. Look at that. Oh, it just sounds crispy. Or you can put your favorite hot sauce on this. This is Frank's hot sauce. Now again, this particular hot sauce is not a wing sauce, but Frank's does make a wings sauce. But you could just go ahead and baste that with that as well. All right, let's give this a try. So this has no sauce on it at all. Let's give it a try. Put a little bit of blue cheese on that. It really is crispy, you guys. Wow. Wow. That is really good for baked chicken wings, not fried. That is really, really good. All right, let's try with a little bit of Parmesan on it. That's a good one. One last one, a couple more here. We got barbecue. You know what, guys? I like my deep fried chicken wings, but these are pretty damn good. Simple recipe. Hopefully you give it a try. Crispy baked chicken wings. They're pretty damn good. This is the Junkyard. Remember, if you haven't had an opportunity to take a look at my channel, please do. Again, I stream on Twitch every Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. I'm a gamer, as you guys know. I game over there, and in fact, I am probably switching over to some cooking videos as well. Live on Twitch. We're going to be doing live cooking videos, so make sure you subscribe to my channel on Twitch, Junkyard 129. The link is down below. Also, if you have an opportunity to take a look at my Patreon page, any Patreons help support this channel. I cannot thank you guys enough about that as well. This is Junkyard. Thanks for watching. Needless to say, keep cooking.